Nepalganj, an important city in western Nepal near the Indian border, is a bustling hub of trade, culture, and travel. Whether you are visiting for business, pilgrimage, or as a stopover to explore the natural beauty of the region, Nepalganj has accommodations that combine modern amenities with traditional Nepali warmth. The first one is Salty Western Premier. This most luxurious hotel in Nepalganj, Salty Western Premier, provide an upscale experience with facilities like a swimming pool, spa, fitness center, and even a casino. Rooms are spacious and elegantly designed, catering to both leisure and business guests. The restaurants serve a mix of international and Nepali cuisines, ensuring variety and flavor. Known for its attentive staff and high service standards, this hotel is first choice for travelers looking for indulgence and comfort. The second one is Siddhartha Hotel. Siddhartha Hotel offers a refined four-star stay with features such as an outdoor pool, sauna, and gym. Guests appreciate the free airport shuttle and 24-hour business center, which add convenience for those on tight schedules. The rooms are neat, well furnished, and comfortable, providing a restful environment after a long journey. Its strong focus on guest satisfactions, making it a popular choice for business trips and family vacations alike. The third one is Hotel Starlight Tipalganj. A family-friendly property, Hotel Starlight delivers practical comfort with amenities like free Wi-Fi, buffet breakfast, and two on-site restaurants. Its children's pool and 24-hour service make it especially suitable for families traveling with kids. Guests often praises the quality of food and the courteous staff. Positioned centrally, it provides easy access to both transport and shopping areas. The fourth one is Diamond Palace Lords Plaza. This hotel combines modern comfort with mid-range affordability. Facilities include an outdoor pool, in-house restaurant, and a stylish lounge area. The rooms are designed for practicality by maintaining comfort, making it suitable for both short and extended stays. Guests appreciate the professional service and its convenient location close to the city center. The fifth one is Hotel Pahunagar. Hotel Pahunagar is known for its homely atmosphere and personalized hospitality. The rooms are simple but thoughtfully maintained with amenities like free Wi-Fi, parking, and laundry service. The in-house dining area serve tasty meals often prepared with local ingredients. Guests love the sense of warmth and familiarity that come with staying here, making it ideal for those who prefer a quieter family run experience. The next one is Hotel Sneha Clarks Inn Suites. One of the city's modern and stylish option, Hotel Sneha Clarks Inn Suites impresses guests with its contemporary interior and premium amenities. Facilities such as a swimming pool, fitness center, and banquet hall make it versatile for conference and events. The fine dining restaurant add a touch of elegance to the overall stay. The next one is Hotel Batika. Hotel Batika offers cozy rooms with clean interior and basic comforts at a fair price. Guests particularly appreciate its banquet and meeting facilities, which make it suitable for business travelers. The central location ensures that markets, transport hubs, and landmarks are easily accessible, making it a practical choice. The next one is Hotel Max. Located in Kohalpur, just a short drive from Nepalganj, Hotel Max is ideal for those who prefer a quieter environment. Its proximity to Nepalganj combined with its calm atmosphere make it a popular option for weekend travelers. The last one is Signet in Krishna. Signet in Krishna is a newer addition to Nepalganj hospitality scenes, offering clean, modern rooms with stylish interiors. The staff are attractive and professional, ensuring smooth stays for both families and solo travelers. It's a great pick for those looking for fresh, contemporary lodging at a fair price. The last one is Hotel Kalptar. Hotel Kalptar is a budget-friendly property that emphasizes practicality and good service. Rooms are neat and provide essential comfort for travelers passing through the city. While simple, it's a Dependable choice for short stays are transit guests looking for value and convenience. Nepalganj may be a better known as a transit city, but its hotel reflects a growing culture of comfort and hospitality. Whether you are here for business, pilgrimage, or leisure, these top 10 hotels provide not just a place to stay but an experience rooted in Nepali warmth and care.